Kenny looking clean over here. We always think of the worst case scenario. All you have to do is remember these 3 factors. People, they shake at the mention of this concept. And it's really a double-edged sword. If you do it really well, people come to respect you. If you don't, they'll laugh at you. Can you guess what it is? Well, if you read the title, you already know what it is. Today, we're talking about public speaking. I almost broke down from my first public speaking event. It was the most nerve-wracking thing ever. So, if you can, run far away. Speaking of running, about to go to the gym and do some cardio. I remember the first time I ever did public speaking, I was so nervous. You wouldn't even know. I almost broke down because of all the nervousness. It's loud in here, so avoid it if possible. But it's impossible to avoid forever. I've done countless presentations during my time in school and some public speaking events for my organization. And let me tell you, it takes a lot of practice to get used to it. Panera, they're having a free drink event right now. This is passion green tea. Get it while you can. Therefore, let me tell you about 3 ways I've found that has helped me. Number 1, confidence. Often, I found myself afraid of doing public speaking because of my lack of confidence. I grew up getting bullied pretty often, you know. I used to look very bullyable. Not anymore though. Try to bully me, I'll get you guys back. And my parents often compared me to my other family members. It wasn't a great thing, so I grew up pretty self-conscious, if you might. But hey, I'm graduating college in a couple weeks here, and they haven't yet. Who's laughing now? So over the years, I often found myself taking on a lot more leadership roles and escaping out of my comfort zone. That's helped tremendously. If you're trying to overcome that public speaking aspect, what you want to do is take on more leadership roles and go to the gym. Going to the gym will make you feel a lot stronger and you'll overcome it. And the second factor is fear. So we often see people that get on that stage and they can say whatever they want. They don't look nervous. What? Why don't they look nervous? It's because they were nurtured properly, or they just have a natural gift. Hey, we're scared because we don't have that natural gift. Unlike them, we have to practice it. You know, our mind, well, I guess this wind is insane. Like to play this natural game with us. It's a natural instinct, so to say. We always think of the worst case scenario whenever we go through anything. For example, public speaking, right? We're scared that if we go up on that stage and then we embarrass ourselves, people are gonna laugh at us. We don't want people to laugh at us, and if people laugh at us, they'll think we're a joke. If we're a joke, we can't get a job anymore, right? Natural progression. But you know what? If that's the case, there's a job that actually goes up on stage and people laugh at them. You know what that's called? It's called a comedian. If it helps, just think of yourself as a comedian, and if people laugh at you, embrace it. But you know, the funny thing about comedian is that they have the opposite problem of people like us. They want people to laugh, but half of them can't get people to laugh. Ironic, right? Well, let's go to the next scene. Alright, and number 3 is practice. So you want to start by familiarizing yourself with the actual structure of the speech. That will help a lot. Knowing the talking points and information behind the speech will help you memorize it. And if all else fails, find a teleprompter. That helps a lot. Hey Tim, you ready for the speech?
Hell yeah, let's get it.
Hey, do you get scared of public speaking?
I get scared if I don't know what I'm talking about. If I'm like trying to like wing it, yeah, it's so awkward. But if I like rehearse it and I'm confident, it's like no problem.
What about you, Kenny?
I do. I always get nervous.
What do you do when you get nervous? Like, do you just try to brush past it, or do you just kind of like play it off?
Usually I just like take a breath and just like calm down. It's like the nerves, not even like.
You know what's the most scary part is right before you're about to speak, then when you're speaking, just do it.
Yeah.
Just do it.
Voice cracks.
Yeah, that's.
You just,
It's over.
You suppress it, as soon as you're out, you're like, it didn't happen.
Yeah, it feels so good after you're done. You're like, it's over. I don't care how I did.
Yeah.
As bad as bad. You guys kind of looking good over here. Kenny looking clean over here. I dress like I'm about to go to the gym. You guys dress like you guys are going out.
Just Kenny.
Oh,
You.
oh wow. What a nice room.
I'm trying to think of a movie. Okay, we didn't go on. I don't think I still warm up. I haven't. Anybody else wanna?
Hey,
I
Thank you, though.
Okay. Alright, so let's send this to her. Alrighty, we just finished with our practice. That's kind of how you'll be getting better with your public speaking, is by practicing. Once you know your lines, it's kind of like talking to a friend, you know? Except these friends, they'll judge you more. But here, alright, so that brings us to a point. Even professional athletes still practice. Why do they practice? Because they need to iron out all the kinks, all the mistakes that they make during practice, so that when they actually perform, they don't make those mistakes. Let's go somewhere. These top sports players, they have to practice. And think of people like what? Steph Curry. He's the top of his field, yet he still practices. Insane. Say you have a public speaking event tomorrow. Here's the words of wisdom. You're screwed. Just kidding. All you have to do is remember these three factors: confidence, fear, and practice. Confidence, fear, and practice. Get these two, confidence and fear. Let me show you what you do with confidence and fear. These two, you don't really need. All you really need is practice, okay? So confidence and fear. Oh, shoot. And fear? Nah. This is what you do to fear. Oh, shoot. Okay, I gotta go, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. I just gotta go.